You know what, you guys? You guys are my heroes. You're here on this beautiful Portland day, any day it doesn't rain. And I am so proud to be standing here speaking to you. Because you know what, you guys? You guys are freedom fighters. All of you. You came out, you made the trip to Pioneer Courthouse Square. We are standing in Portland's living room, and we are talking about legalizing marijuana, deschedulizing, because, you know, we legalized in the state, but they're still screwing with us. They're still messing with our law, and they're still putting roadblocks in the middle of everything. There's this actual language, legislation called the Indoor Clean Air Act, and I call it insidious. It is destroying the fabric of the language that we passed, Measure 91. It's just coming in there and destroying it. We cannot have lounges. Why? Why can't we have a place where we can go meet up with a friend, take a couple of puffs, enjoy a sandwich, and then move on with our lives? There is no reason. And you know what? I'm not coming down on cigars. But if they can have a cigar bar, and now they're trying to tell me that marijuana's too toxic. Too toxic? It's medicine. It is medicine for our bodies. It is medicine for our planet. We all know this. And they still keep on trying to tell us more lies. And I, for one, I'm fed up. What about you guys? Are you guys fed up with this Schedule 1 bullshit? What? You know, don't try to make a fool of me. And I don't want to cause no rifts, but we need to change the direction of our administration. And we need to do it now. And you know what, ladies? I'm so proud to say that, you know, I've been telling people this for years. The power of the vajayjay. And it is good. People have died. Countries have been lost. And you know what? I think the current administration is going to lose. And it's going to partly because of the power of the vajayjay. And you ladies, you need to learn how to use that right. I know you're all stunned by my language, but let's be honest. We're all grown ups, except for these little kids. And they really don't know where they're at. So anyway, no, I'm saying it. Look at standing right here, Teresa Rayford. She is running for mayor. She is running for mayor. She has the courage of her conviction to stand up and run for mayor of this crazy-ass city. We used to call it Portland, but now we call it Potland. And you know what? It's not a typo. It's a way of life. Am I right? You know, I used to work with that gentleman over there, Russ Belleville. I met him at the march years ago. When? 13 years ago. And he came to look for me. He was gunning to meet the lady that ran the Global Cannabis March. At that time, it was Million Marijuana. But anyway, we've had many years and a huge era. Oregon Normal is back, bigger than ever. And you know what we've done? We actually introduced something that we want you to participate in. Go to our Oregon Normal Facebook page and read up about the NRA plan. Yeah, you know what it is? You know, the NRA, it rates legislators at the federal level. And now we're rating our legislators at the marijuana level. And we're saying, answer these questions. And if you can't, we just want to report it to the public in our green voter guide. So look at it. Go to the Oregon Normal Facebook page or the website and find out what 5 questions you need to ask your representatives and see if the answers come back in the, positively. That's what we're hoping for. But we want to inform people, and we want to grow the shit out of this industry, and we need to get this out of our way. So are you game? Are you going to do it? Please do this. Register to vote, because if you don't vote, really, your opinion doesn't matter. And you guys in wheelchairs, you rock. Deborah, Where is Miss the Granny? Oh, I love her. Anyway, I love you all, and please vote, and please contact your representatives.